Hey everybody, it's Kathy from Create with Kate 56. How's everybody doing today? I want to thank everybody for stopping by and taking a look at this. This is just amazing to me. I just really love this, how this turned out. This is it's called Ode to Klimt, and this is using the Stampede papers, inspired by him. And yeah, so let's take a look. He's 12.5 by 9, and the spine is 2.25. And on the front I have a picture out of a book that I have about him, and this was in the kit, only it was really small, so I enlarged it and I put some Tim Holtz speckle egg glaze over top of it after I made it bigger. This is one of Tim Holtz baseboard frames here. I just painted black and edged it with a little bit of the gold wax that I have. The frame is chipboard and also a page from the kit, and I went around that also with some gold paint. Now this is going to be probably pretty tricky to get everything in, so I'm going to be standing up and sitting down, and where am I at over here? Can't see. Alright, this is from a tutorial by Patricia at Le Cafe Craft, and it's a Lapbook, and the spine is, let me get in here where you can see, is I can't think what they call that now, but anyway, it's for folded accordion style. There are, as you can see, eyelets on here, and then it's held to the spine with jump rings. So there's that. This was actually the inside cover to this book. It was a book about, I think it was science or something like that. It was a great big book that I had. So I took it apart and made the spine bigger and used the end papers that were actually in the book here. This is an envelope. I've got just a card stuck in there. I've got a little, this is one of the embellishments from the kit that I put some glossy accents on, hooked it on with one of those little fishing lure hook things. And back here is the pocket, and in here I've just got a postcard with some brown paper on the back. This was from my friend Colleen, and this is a letter that was from Patricia. Almost everything in here is from Patricia's Patreon freebies there. And then over on this side we've got a pocket here. I've used some blue metallic cards, some of the little strips from the kit. I put some sequins down at the bottom in the pocket. I've got 2 of the cards that come with the kit, and then of course this is the kiss. Okay, let's flip back over to this side. Over here we've got 3 pockets. Got a tag, a little, this is from one of her kits too, a check, and another little tag here. I just cut that from the paper from the kit. This I went around with the gold, put it on black card, went around with the gold. Here I've got another one, another cutout from the kit on black card, another check, another little and a receipt back there. I use this white, got this white baker's twine with gold threads woven in it. And then up here, got another one, art is a line around your thoughts. And again, went around with the gold wax. Got another one of these things from the kit, and that is from a railroad. Over on this page, we've got the front, what does she call this? A French board. This is, oh, by the way, my pages are made of chipboard and then covered with paper from the kit as well. I guess it's not really kit, it's just paperback. But so there's these circles that are in there as well. So I have those tucked in there, and I also have a little card of the kiss. Oops, kiss. And then this one, Tree of Life, and a really pretty ginkgo leaf design on the back of that one. That's one of his more famous paintings there. I really like how this turned out. I love the papers. I love Klimt, so hey, you can't go wrong. And of course, I'm not going to have everything back in here as pretty as it was, but I'll fix it later. And turn this page. Over here, we have some file folders. These are some envelopes. I just have them held down with this little spinner here. It's an envelope here. This, I think, is from Eva at Bohemian Crafting, actually. And I made some tabs. And this says, satisfaction is a consequence of being an artist. And these pockets flip up all the way. And there's another one. I just added a piece of black card down here and some strips from the paper pad. So that's those. I've added some stamping. That's from Tim Holtz Field Notes stamp set. And in our pockets here, just got tags that were in the papers as well. Got an old check there. Here's another Walk Your Imagination for Inspiration card. They're all sewed and backed with packaging paper. Got a postcard here. This is one of mine. Got a little ad here and another receipt. I just tuck down in there like that. Over here, we've got a shorter page, and it has two envelopes on it. This one, I added a little charm so that you can see that this pulls out like that. Got some pockets. Just attach some of the images to some gold metallic card, little tickets and things. And this is just a die cut that I did. And if you can't see, you probably can't. Down here on the bottom is my library card, and it's Ode to Klimt. And that just closes up. Over here we've got another big envelope. This is another image of the kiss here. Let's have some of this gold cord going around one of the pages of the kit. I just punched out a circle. This flips up. Here we have, over here I just put some regular scrapbook paper in here, and that's from the pad. And then in this pocket I've got just a, well, maybe if I can get it open. Here we go. Just a little page I cut from the kit. That's a embellishment from the kit. And then this is from Patricia. And in here, this is from Patricia also. From a hardware store. And that just flips over and wraps around. Over here on this page, it's a, whoops, this is supposed to be like that, to hold those together. This is a pocket over on this side. Got a couple of, it's in French, so I can't tell you what this is. It's a letter of some sort. I guess, I don't know. And then this is just a cut out from the papers. These are all little paper bags that make pockets, and they all flip up out of the back of the pocket here. And they've all got little journaling cards in them. And I just decorate the fronts of them with embellishments from the kit. This is a Tim Holtz. I can never keep them straight what those are. But anyway, that's what that is. And then over on this side, sorry, I hope you guys can see everything. I've done a belly band with these circles were in the kit, so then I put them on gold card. And this is just a little place you can do some writing in. And over here I've got an envelope with a note card you can journal on if you'd like. That just tucks under there. Again, this is just one of the little embellishments from the paper pack. So though it's a lap book, there's a lot of places that you can journal in. Okay. So then this flips over like this, and we have two pockets here and two over here, and this just stands up so you can easily get to what's inside. This is just like it's a tag with just, I just stuck some pieces in there. Here, whoopsie. Got a big journaling card there. Got some music paper in here. Up here, got another, looks like a receipt, and a little journaling card here. This is from Patricia, postcard. And then over on this side I did the same thing, just cut out a little belly band looking thing. This, I didn't cut that out, that was from some packaging I had. I can't remember what it was from, but I just covered it and Made a little belly band out of that. Got some music paper in that pocket. And I've got another postcard here from Patricia. And here's another piece from Patricia. I don't know what it is, but there it is. And another postcard from Patricia. It's really cool. She prints the or puts the fronts and the backs, you know, that go with them, and so that makes it really nice. It looks just like a regular postcard. It's really nice. So that goes like that. This folds back in here. That goes over there. This one goes here. This one goes here. And closes it all up. Oops, sorry about that thread. So there he is. I hope you can see him without too much glare on him. It took a minute, I'm not gonna lie, but it was really a fun project. So take a look over at Patricia's YouTube channel and check her out. She does a lot of really cool things, and she's hilarious. And I will link her channel below as well. So, okay guys, thank you so much for stopping by, and we'll talk to you next time. Thanks. Bye.